Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Niche. So, I am back. It's been a while since I've recorded, but hopefully we'll get a few episodes recorded tonight before I decide to go to bed. I'm filming this really late in the night, and I've been busy all day. Literally, half an hour ago I was outside fixing fences, so I'm not sure how many I'll get done today. Also, as usual, my allergies are killing me. And I did not realize we're so low on food. This is bad. Dust, come over here. Was there a nicheling I had left to be named in the last episode? Oh yes, you. I miss the days when you could just click on their name and rename them. Now I have to go to the family tree, which is a huge pain. But hold on, let me pull up in the list of names. And I'm probably going to butcher your name. Elijah Wells left a amazing list. And I think I'll go with Bear That Roars in Cave. I cannot speak. So, and we'll call him Bear for short. Bear That Roars in Cave. I swear, I'm allergic to something other that this allergy medicine won't cure, because I've been on every allergy medicine in existence and it won't help me. So, yeah, a ton of our nichelings are, well, no, now that we've fixed it. So let me get Stump. Let me get to know who's all here. Stump and Berries are the parents of Bear. Then we have Dust. Smoke, which I never renamed. Mole. Sun. Bramble. And Fish. Okay, let's pass the day. Well, that's a predicament. Little Bear, can you please? Yes, thank you. Let your mother... Oh, that's our friendly Bearina. Oh, why not? I don't remember who his mate was supposed to be. I forgot we had a friendly Bearina here. Let's move Mole up here to this berry bush. And Stump, you... Oh, you found a stump. How lovely. Stump found a stump. And I believe you, Mr. Bramble, were exploring. So let's just have you move. You found a poison berry bush. Oh, how lovely. We don't have Claw in our family, do we? Hey! I think I was just having you working on getting Duckbill unlocked. And it looks like our current alpha is Sun. Did she have a mate? And I don't remember how we were appointing the next alpha, because my memory is just that awful. But let's pass the day again. And do you guys think we should eventually, like, how, you know, how after, like, the cats left the tribe in Dawn of the Clans, they, like, started doing, like, more official warrior names, and eventually the ones who stayed with the tribe eventually did these long names? Do you think eventually they should just get shorter, like how in Dawn of the Clans you have, like, cats named Sun, Shadow, where there's two different words, and eventually became one word? Do you think we should have the progression from long names to short names to actual warrior names? as this series continues. Let's see, you had a little female. Okay, there was a name that Elijah put for a character with purple, either purple, something purple, and I don't remember. I think it's in the very first episode. Hold on. Okay, this says if a purplish gray niche would be called Violet that shines on sky, but I think I'm going to use that for her. And also, we can reuse these names in the future if we really, really want to.
Hey, are you two trying to make cheesecake for me?
I'm kind of filming a niche episode.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll try to do it in a bit, okay? So I'm going to name her a Violet that shines on sky, which is starting to remind me of the current Warrior series. Let's just say Violet Shine, I guess, is not my favorite cat. I just found her kind of a brat. Did I spell that right? No, I didn't. Almost 18 and I can't spell Violet. And again, I am dyslexic, so I'm trying to read off of a phone here. Well, it says shades, so I'm guessing that's correct. Man, that was a long name. I was wondering how long of a name niche would let me put in. Apparently that's a perfect length of the name. And now we have... I should have screenshotted this. Thinking back on my life. I'm just going to now screenshot this list so I don't have to keep looking back between niche videos. Because, you know, I'm a very smart 17-year-old, and I just decided to not screenshot this and to go back and forth between things. Here we go. I might actually have had it screenshotted and I just didn't notice. Well, I'm going to be lazy and go with the first one, Tree That Stands Strong. That stands. There we go. And I'm so sorry for my allergies again. I feel like I'm forever apologizing for those, but... Let's actually have you move and clear this grass. Silver, please don't get in my way. We're gonna have to send someone over to replace Bramble soon, or just help him, like give him an apprentice. Actually, I think I'll send you over. I feel like Barry sort of told Bear to like go help your distantly related tribe member. Is there any trees on this island? That's what I'm curious about. There is, but they're very far away. If I can keep that cracker jaw in the family, that would be a good thing. And there's really nothing for you to do, Smoke. But you're almost dead. Kind of want to see if I can breed you again, because weren't you a melanistic creature? No, you weren't. Were you? Yeah, you were. Silverstream! You annoying cat. I'm actually going to take a picture of you and put you at the end of the episode. because this is ridiculous. She's hanging on my arm. You sweetie, you realize, no, go away, please. I need the keyboard. You can't lay on the keyboard. I love that cat, but she drives me insane. Well, how much longer do you have to live? 3 more days. And who was this little... How are you already injured? How are you already injured? Does melanism just injure them? Please let me know. We relayed the product from a rogue male. Well, you can breed with Dust. Dust has been a loyal member of this tribe. He deserves some offspring. And let us pass the day. What was that? Is our ballerina just chilling there, randomly killing things? Oh, Violet! You are so cute. You have runner's leg and no paw. Thanks, Mom. What?
There's more in the pan.
Okay. You have runner's leg and no paw. So I think I'll delegate you to a berry. I don't know. Why don't you come up here and learn from Sun? You'll be taught by the leader of your tribe. While you, Mr. Bear, get to come over here and help your distantly related tribe member explore. I haven't seen a Dodomingo in this save. Apparently those annoying creatures are here. And... Tink, leave it. My mom brought me in my dinner. Because like I said, I'm recording this super late, and actually, I might end this episode very quickly just so I can eat and then jump back on. And is that a rogue male? No, it's not. But you are sick. Let's get one more nicheling out of you two before she dies. And let's see. Rila, she is so cute. You know, I kind of want to name her just Rabbit. Just Rabbit. Can I do that? I'm going to do that. Rabbit. Because she reminds me of a little rabbit. Look at her ears. Does she have big ears? Do you have big ears, or is it just your tiny little body make you look like you have chihuahua ears? You have medium ears, it's just your tiny little body makes you look like you have chihuahua ears. And actually, fun fact, I do own a rabbit, and I named her Hollyleaf after Hollyleaf because I'm a Hollyleaf fanatic. Go ahead and collect that nest up. I didn't really look at you, Tree. Did you get any? You have secondary Barina. And you have Barina Claw, yes! Just for fun. Please, you're too young to attack that thing. Darn it. You finally got one. Okay, so I believe this is a good stopping point for this episode, just for the time being, because I only have 5 minutes out of 20 left on my timer. I upload every Wednesday currently, but do you guys think I plan on making a lot of videos? So even if it's not regularly every week, would you guys appreciate like an extra video for maybe Saturday or Monday or somewhere in there? Just let me know. May StarClan light your guys' path, I guess.